There are many cool cities in the world, but there are only a few cities that you never want to leave, and Tel Aviv is a top destination. There are many universities in the world, but there are only a few which their faculties are ranked among the top 30 in the world. There are many executive education programs in the world, but only one which is part of the leading business school in Israel. Lahav Executive Education is the largest leading executive education academic organization in Israel.
Tel-Aviv University, Israel's largest and most comprehensive institution of higher education, is home to over 30,000 students studying in 9 faculties across the spectrum of sciences, humanities, and art.
Based on our Israeli experience, we know that in order to succeed in today's agile and dynamic environment, executives, entrepreneurs, angel investors, government officials must be equipped with the most innovative and up-to-date knowledge and tools.
At Lahav, we design for each group, organization, and executive a unique tailored program which combines academic knowledge with practical, applicative tools for the continually changing business world. Our programs present the cardinal aspect of innovation, entrepreneurship, and entrepreneurship based on the Israeli models and exposes participants to the best practices Israeli companies and academy have.
In the high-tech ecosystem, which I'm proud to be a part of, the changes are so rapid that it's very, very important to keep up to date. And Lahav is exactly the place where you could come and learn and enrich your knowledge.
Lahav programs are designed to create value, unforgettable experience, and strong network between participants and their Israeli peers.
We bring executives from Switzerland, from Germany to Israel. We do it digitally, we do it offline. Every time the learning experience is memorable.
The impact on executives and organizations participating in our programs is tremendous.
Tel-Aviv University is Israel's business representative in the academic world. We are deeply impressed by their professional content, design, and thoughtful service. The program with Coller School becomes one of the most popular international programs at my school.
They take care of logistics, they take care of contacts, they take care of content, and they provide a unique experience.
Lahav's programs are offered in Israel, online or abroad, for groups or through open enrollment, and are designed to encourage global collaborations between entrepreneurs, companies, and organizations.
And it's been a wonderful partnership of bringing really innovative and customized programs to our Australian executives across business and government.
The Lahav unique learning experience inspires, enriches, and expands participants' horizons.
With Lahav, you will break through your own boundaries, evolve and improve your skills. Remember, it's not where you live, it's how you live.
Lahav Executive Education, your partner in creating personal and organizational value and impact.